Paano maging consistent? Gusto mo maging consistent. Pero bakit ka laging nawawala sa momentum? Consistency is not about motivation. Again, consistency is not about motivation. Hindi siya tungkol sa gigil ka lang, hype ka lang, or I feel like it. Consistency is built on discipline, clarity, and purpose. Hindi mo kailangan ng mood dito. Ang kailangan mo, mission. Kailangan mo ng mission. Number 1, you need to start small. Hindi mo kailangan big movements agad. Daily habits ang nagtatayo ng successful life. Number 2, you need to remove all distractions. Kung ano naghihila or nakakahila sa'yo pababa, limit, block, unload. Your future needs your focus. Number 3, you need to stick a routine. Hindi perfect, pero present ka palagi. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day, you need a little progress daily. Okay? A little progress daily is better than perfect attempts, pero once a month, once a week. You need to be consistent. Little by little, daily. And number 4, know your why. Kapag alam mo bakit ka lumalaban, kapag alam mo bakit mo to ginagawa, hindi ka basta-basta bibitaw. Hindi ka basta-basta susuko na lang. And remember, consistency becomes easier when your strength comes from God. Again, consistency becomes easier when your strength comes from God. Hindi mo ito ginagawa mag-isa. Grace gives you power, purpose gives you direction, the Holy Spirit gives you the discipline. So paano maging consistent? Show up. Hindi perfect, pero present. When you choose progress over your excuses, growth over comfort, purpose over emotions, you become unstoppable. One step daily, one move at a time, that's how you win, that's how you rise, that's how you stay consistent.